If it's on the 1, it's 5.
5,
Right?
5, 3.
Okay. I'm going to show you something to make it easier because on here it doesn't have the other numbers. So I have made something that makes it a lot easier. Let me show you. These are the clocks. Okay? And I made for you. Later you can practice. Okay? So it has those numbers. So if it's here, it's o'clock, right? But it's over here will be 5, there's 10, 15. So if it's the smaller hand over here and the big hand over here,
Try 4, 5.
you
3,
can say
4, 5.
3,
3, 4,
This-
5. 3, 4, or 3, 5.
okay, 1 second. The small hand, the short hand,
And 2.
is on what number?
2,
2. That's correct. And the big hand is on
5.
1.
Only 1.
Okay? These, so if it's on here, okay?
Yes.
Because it's not quite 6 o'clock yet,
Yes.
right? So once it comes here, it's 6
Six.
o'clock, right?
Yeah.
6 o'clock.
But if it's here,
5:45.
5:45, or
quarter,
quarter, it is
No,
quarter
quarter
to
to
6.
to 6.
Okay?
Quarter to 6.
That makes sense? Okay, and if it's over here, one more example. It's
Quarter to 7.
so
To
7,
seven.
very good.
Or
Or
45.
45, okay? So let's look at these numbers again, because when it's here, it's 45, okay? Or if it falls on the 50, like if it's on here, okay, so if this is on the 9, the small hand is on 9,
Yeah.
and the big hand is on 10,
Yeah.
okay? So they don't have the numbers, but there's 10. You have to
9
count. There's,
to 10.
it's 10
Or
to
8.
9
Or
or 9.
15.
No,
No.
8.
8:15.
It's not 9 o'clock yet.
Yeah.
It's 8.
Okay.
Look at your clock.
Yeah.
8:50.
8:15.
Right? Because if I show you on here, you have to count for yourself. So use this until you become familiar with the minutes.
8:15.
How many?
Or
Like 5,
8,
10.
Or
Because
8:15 or 8 to 9.
this one,
No? Yeah.
it's 8:50
8:15.
or 10 to 9.
10
It is
to 9.
10 to 9.
10 to 9.
Okay, I'll write it for you.
Yeah.
Green won't pick up, so let me use the black one. So if I say what time is it?
Now?
No, with this one.
Oh.
Okay.
9:50. 8:50.
You can, the answer would be, it is 8.
50.
50,
Or
okay? Or another way,
9.
it is,
9.
you have to count. This is 5, 10,
Yeah.
right?
9.
Okay?
9,
It is
10,
10
9.
to
9.
9. You're paying attention. Very good. So when I do the clock, you have a clock there. You can put it so you can see. Okay? Just when we do the different numbers. Okay? I have exercises for you to do. Then it becomes more clear because you get to practice. And then if you have any questions, you can ask.
Okay.
But just remember, if it's on the numbers, it's If it's 1 o'clock or it's on a 2 o'clock, the big hand is on the 12. You say it's 1 o'clock,
1 o'clock,
2 o'clock,
3
3 o'clock, and
Right.
so on with the numbers. Okay? But if it's from here to here,
Correct.
you would say it's quarter to or 22 if it's on here, you know, like here. So you need to remember your numbers, the 5, 10, 15, 20. So if it's on here, you don't have to count.
Correct.
You say it's 22, if it's on the small hand on
After
6,
20 to
20 to
50.
6,
20
or
to
if it's on
8,
5,
20 to 5. 20
that's
to-
correct.
Wow.
Very good. Okay? So both ways is correct.
Mhm.
Okay? If it's on here, you say it's quarter to.
Yes.
But you hear more people would say it's 5:45.
Yeah.
If it's not 5 yet, it's almost 5. Oh, sorry, it's almost 6 when you say 5:45. Or if you say 6:45, it's almost,
Oh,
almost.
column
If you say 6,
6:45.
yes, let me show you.
6:45 or 7.
What time?
Quarter for 7 o'clock.
15 to
It is quarter-
15 to 7.
Quarter to
50 to 7.
Okay, it is quarter to 7, or quarter, yes, because you're saying there is this much left before it's 7, or it's 6,
50 to 7.
Tony,
50 to 7.
45.
45.
50
Yeah.
to 7.
Okay, so
50
if
to
you look
7
at
is
these
45.
numbers, it helps you, because then you know this is 45,
Yeah.
okay? Or it might be confusing, but still it's quarter to, okay?
Yeah.
So if someone says to you, it is quarter to 7, I want you to understand what they mean. Because if you only learn it's 6:45, and you hear someone says, oh, it's quarter to 7,
Quarter to 7, quarter to 8.
you have to
quarter
know
to
what
9,
they're
quarter
saying,
to-
right?
Yeah.
Or if it's 20 to 7, if it's on here, okay? So let's do the exercises, it becomes more clear.
Yeah.
Okay? It's a lot of information, but both ways are correct of saying it. Okay? So, let's start the exercises. Okay? And I will help you, I promise. Use your clocks though, okay?
Huh?
They help you. These clocks,
Mhm.
you can use them, help each other, okay?
One, half.
You're welcome. So let me write the direction on the board. Okay? So first you have to read each one of them. Look at each picture,
Yes.
read it first, and you have to draw the hand,
Okay.
okay? So first, read it carefully.
Number
Can
1.
you see from here?
Number 1.
Clock, meaning you have to do what? You have to draw these, okay? And the second thing you do, draw the hands. They call them the hands. They're kind of like hands, everyone, right?
Yeah.
Small hands, big hands.
Oh,
Small
yeah,
hands always on the numbers, like then you know it's 5, 6, 7, right? The big hands,
Mhm.
if it's on 5, you say it's 6:05, or if it's on the 2, you say 6:10, right? So there's the small hand. Look over here.
Yes.
This one compared to that is smaller, right?